Hello friends, this is Nima. Welcome back to my channel. And today I just want to show you my album. This is going to be just a walk through the pages of my album. I created this based on a tutorial from Haiti, the Yorkshire Crafter. And I will put her reference for that tutorial on the link below. Where you can find the process to make one of these. Now, you should make it completely different, but in my case, I decided to make it for my watercolor paintings. You know, I love to do watercolors, and I created this one for my watercolor paintings. I titled mine, Home is Where Your Heart Is, because inside, in watercolor, you have little paintings of different homes. And these paintings are small. The size of these paintings is 2.5 by 3.5, like an ATC size. My second page, I went very colorful. Every page holds 4. And then on the other one, I just went more like an ocean life. Tree houses. And of course, mushroom houses. And this is my little album. I hope you like it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.